इस लेक्चर में हम डिस्कस कर लेंगे आपके साथ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4। सो व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन? क्वेश्चन इज फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ कोन विथ वर्टेक्स। वर्टेक्स कहाँ पे है? अल्फा बीटा गामा, जो कि मैंने ऑलरेडी आपको समझाया कि व्हाट्स वर्टेक्स and guiding curve, and the equation of guiding curve is y square is equal to 4x, and you know that this is the equation of parabola, and the plan is z is equal to 0, that this plan is xy plan, xy. So that you already know which steps we have to follow in order to get the equation of cone. So पहले हमें पता है हमें क्या लिखना है, what is the hypothesis, हमारे पास क्या है? हमारे पास क्या है? vertex of a cone, that's alpha beta gamma, and equation of guiding curve है y square is equal to 4x, and the plan is, and equation of plan and equation of plan is z is equal to 0. So what we have to do, so you know that we have to write down the equation of line, that's called the generating line, which passes through alpha beta gamma. So we know that, हमें पता है क्या, हमें पता है, we know that equation of a line which passes through alpha beta gamma is, question is going to Saeed Ejaz. Please tell me. Once I just,
Yes, sir.
once equation कैसे है?
X minus alpha
X minus alpha
divided by L
is
equal to y minus gamma
y minus
beta
divided by M.
m, and
Z minus gamma
Yes.
divided by M.
yes. So we have, हमारे पास क्या है, z is equal to 0. Put z is equal to 0. We will get x minus alpha divided by L is equal to y minus alpha divided by M is equal to minus gamma divided by n. And you know the procedure, हमें क्या करना है? We have to take the first and second and last. क्यों? क्योंकि हमें वैल्यू ऑफ x और वैल्यू ऑफ y निकालना है. ठीक है, आज क्या करूँ, वैल्यू ऑफ x y करूँ. ठीक है, taking first and last fractions, okay, and second and last. So what is the first fraction? Check. That's x minus alpha divided by L. X minus alpha divided by L equal to minus gamma divided by n, क्योंकि हमें फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट लेना है, एंड और हमें क्या लेना है, सेकंड एंड लास्ट. y minus beta divided by m is equal to minus gamma divided by n. And Fazil,
Yes, sir.
need the value of x.
X is equal to
Yes,
alpha minus.
minus alpha.
Yes, sir. L
Yes, L
gamma divided by N.
divided by n,
Yes, sir.
and plus
Y is equal to.
plus alpha
plus ये alpha shift करो, अब ये alpha.
Yes, sir.
And what is value of y?
Y is equal to beta minus
No. Yes, you can write down beta minus
M
m.
gamma N divided by
Okay.
N. Yes, sir.
N. So therefore the point is, what is the coordinates of point? Therefore point is, value of x is minus gamma L divided by n plus alpha, and this is beta minus m gamma divided by n, and z is 0. So this point lies on the guiding curve. So it will satisfy this. And it lies on what is the guiding curve? What is the equation of guiding curve? Y square 4ax. Mr. Yunus, tell me the value of y in this point. Y किसके बराबर? Y कछ बराबर शाबाश. Yunus.
Beta minus
Yes. Beta minus
m
gamma
gamma divided by n
फिर
whole square
is equal to what?
plus 4a.
4a. What is the value of y?
Minus gamma minus
Y. Yes. You can write down alpha minus gamma
divided by
n.
n.
And now what we have to do? अब उसके बाद हमें क्या करना होता है? शाबाश, जल्दी मुझे बता.
m by n तो l by n का वैल्यू निकालना है.
Okay, yes, exactly. We have to find the value of m by n and l by
l by n.
कहाँ से? इस equation से.
Equation
इसका नाम मैंने नहीं रखा है, आप रख लो.
यस सर.
फर्स्ट यहाँ पे ये निकालने, जरा निकालो. l डिवाइड बाय n किसके बराबर आएगा? l डिवाइड बाय n आपको निकालने, तो वो किसके बराबर आएगा? x minus
alpha divided by z minus gamma.
Yes, exactly. X minus alpha divided by z minus gamma.
z minus gamma.
From first, L divided by n. Yeah, n divided by L. L divided by n. Yes, L divided by n. First we will find m divided by n, क्योंकि यहाँ पे first m divided by n. यहाँ पे क्या हमें find? क्योंकि अब हमें एलिमिनेट करना है. क्या करना है? एलिमिनेट L, M and N हमें एलिमिनेट करना है. तो I know that how we find the value of m divided by n. सुकित पढ़ करोगे from equation first मजा ना उसके, ठीक है?
y minus beta divided by z minus gamma.
m divided by n का नहीं बराबर, शाबाश. m divided
Y minus beta divided by z minus gamma.
y minus beta divided by z minus gamma. And l divided by n का नहीं बराबर x
minus l
divided by z minus
gamma.
Therefore equation A, या स्टार रख लो नाम, कुछ भी रख लो नाम, इस इक्वेशन का नाम रख लो स्टार. Therefore equation star becomes, therefore equation star becomes, so this is equal to, यहाँ पे देखो, beta minus value of m divided by n is minus beta divided by z minus gamma into gamma whole square is equal to 4a. Yes, 4a.
alpha
Minus L divided by n का value x alpha divided by z gamma
alpha divided by z minus gamma into
gamma bracket ones वही है ना, into gamma. चेक भी कर लो. Yes, L divided by n into gamma. Now evaluate. How we evaluate, you know very well. beta z. Mr. Akib, tell me the next step. Akib, so when is the next step?
Z beta
Yes, beta z
minus beta gamma
gamma beta
plus gamma y
minus
plus
minus है ना बाहर.
minus gamma y plus gamma beta divided by z gamma
whole square.
4a alpha z minus alpha gamma
Hmm.
minus
minus gamma x
gamma x plus
gamma alpha gamma
Hmm.
gamma
z alpha z gamma.
Z minus gamma.
Yes, sir.
So something happens there. Irfan. Once a quiz gets cancelled. Irfan Subha.
Yes, sir.
Once a quiz gets cancelled, Mohammedan.
Sir, second and last.
beta gamma
Second and last. Yes. इसमें
Gamma beta.
यहाँ पे
Beta.
alpha gamma
Gamma.
yes. Second and last.
Yes.
Remains there. Beta Z
z
minus
minus
gamma
gamma
whole
whole square
square divided by Z minus
Z
gamma whole square. 4a into
alpha z
Z minus x gamma divided by Z
z
alpha. ठीक?
yes
So now आपको क्या करना है?
a minus b whole square
No, जरूरत नहीं है. वैसे ही लिख दो. Beta Z minus y gamma whole square
yes sir
is equal to 4a. यहाँ पे लिख दो. एक मिनट. या डिनोमिनेटर सेम बनाओ, वो कैंसिल होगा.
yes.
ऐसे भी आप लिख सकते हो. Beta Z minus y gamma whole square is equal. यही था. Yes, y gamma is equal to 4a into जी बताओ क्या है into alpha z minus x gamma. Alpha z minus x gamma into z minus gamma. चलो वही क्या है रोइस?
go sir cancel
आगो
cancel
इनका
Yes, sir.
आगो कैंसिल. Okay. बस which is the equation of which is the equation. समझाया कि नहीं?
मैं थे वो सारी बंद 1 मिनट ऐसे कट कट आवाज
हाँ, रख लो म्यूट. ठीक है, दिस इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ कून. ये तो हमें निकालना भी था. ये हो एसएस कार्ड. ठीक है. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन एज पर योर टेक्स्ट is question number 5. What is the question? Find the equation of Kuhn. Find the equation of Kuhn with vertex alpha beta gamma with vertex alpha beta gamma and guiding curve and guiding curve ax square plus by square is equal to 1 and the plane is z is equal to 0. I think that this question is same. But as previous question, kurti tho but same chi question dikha.
जैसे ठीक है याद करो पाने
ठीक है, मतलब I think that there is no new step in this question. बराबर छु third part similar follow करूँ x to y value traun so छु solve करूँ तो इतनी equation of Kuhn. ठीक है? I think that ये आपको आएगा.
ओके सर
Number 6. What is question number 6? Find the equation of Kuhn. Find the equation of Kuhn with vertex 1 2 3 1 comma 2 comma 3 and base is and वही जिसको हम गाइडिंग करो कहते हैं x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 4 This is x plus y plus z. Now this is something different here. Check this. Now the equation of plan is something else. Once equation of plan z is equal to 0. Wunkas kya equation of plan? Tashu idea given. You can hisab equation of plan this. All the three coordinates are there. Three coordinates is there. X, Y, Z is equal to 1. This is the equation of plan here. So here we have to solve this question. This is very important question. यहाँ पे vertex known है, मतलब 1, 2, 3. This is not unknown, but the equation of plan is something different. Equation of plan is x plus y plus z is equal to 1. This is the equation of plan. So one के similar way follow कर अलग सा रास्ता चुना follow same way follow करें. लेकिन अब यहाँ पे क्या है, ये पॉइंट आपको सीखने के लिए यहाँ पे मिलेगा. यस, ये अंडरलाइन करो जो आपको सीखने के लिए मिलेगा. 1/2 is equal to 2/4. This is equal to 3/6, 4/8. These are called what? Equivalent fractions. पता है आपको, इनको हम equivalent fractions कहते हैं. Faces are different, but value is same. समझाया? But values are same. So, लेकिन next question is this: if we add its numerators, now add 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, and add the denominators. 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12, and 12 plus 8 is 20. And this is also equal to 1/2. And this is the very, we can say, a new step in this question जो हमें use करना है. वहाँ की question क्या है? अगर equivalent fractions आसन दिख, अगर तो इस तीन numerator करो add and तीन denominator करो add, जिससे no fraction generate गए, so it is equivalent to तिम्दी. समझाओ मैं इनका इशे का जिसमें it use करो. समझ आवा ये कथ no कथ क्या है? No कथ इस पॉइंट कि अगर for example मतलब well known we take 1 divided by 3 is equal to 2 divided by 6 is equal to 3 divided by 9. ठीक है? When अगर इस इन्हें numerator sum करो, so कितनी बराबर 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. अगर इस इन्हें denominator add करो, so 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 9 is 18. ये क्या नहीं answer? 6 1 are 6, 6 3 are 18. So draw 1/3. वह क्या ये है चीज़ का अगर इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन से गिवन आसन पत अगर तीन न्यूमरेटर तो तीन डिनोमिनेटर पान ऐड करो यो से नो फ्रैक्शन जनरेट गए सच आस तिमने इक्विवेलेंट. इस स्टेप आवा समझ? अनम्यूट करो फिर मुझे बताओ.
ठीक है सर.
बस दिस इज अ न्यू पॉइंट, बाकी तो वही. वी हैव सॉल्यूशन. We have what we have a vertex of cone is 1 2 3 and equation of base is क्या है equation of base? X square plus y square plus z square is equal to 4 and equation of plan क्या है equation of plan? X plus y plus z is equal to 1. Now solve this. Equation of plan which passes through, we know that what we know, equation of line which passes through vertex that's 1 2 3 is given by. Mehraj कर वन माइक अनम्यूट थी वन में सो कुछ इक्वेशन छ.
x minus 1
X
divided by
minus 1 divided by L,
L
Y minus 2
divided by m
Hmm.
z minus 3 divided by n.
Yes. कि अगर नो अख जनरेट करन कैस कि बह हेक न ये इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लान डायरेक्टली यूज करित कि तच x plus y plus z यानी कि ओरे डायरेक्शन दिवान तह हसा छु ऐड करो न्यूमरेटर्स तमिक मतलब गो अस करो न्यूमरेटर छस ऐड करो निश बराबर कत x minus 1 plus y minus 2 plus z minus 3 divide by l plus m plus when each time make recently and this is equal to after solution barabar which implies that x minus 1 divided by l is equal to y minus 2 divided by m is equal to z minus 3 divided by n. This is equal to x plus y plus z minus 6 divided by l plus m plus n minus 1 minus 2 that's minus 3 and minus 3 is minus 6. ठीक, since it meets the plan. I know that this equation meets the plan since it meets the plan. It meets the plan. Which plan is given? X plus y plus z is equal to 1. It means that we can use the value here. X plus y plus z. उसके बदले हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? 1. So what it gives, x minus 1 divided by L is equal to y minus 2 divided by M is equal to z minus 3 divided by N is equal to 1 minus 6 divided by L plus M plus N. So after solution, what you will get? You will get x minus 1 is equal to L y minus 2 divided by M plus z minus 3 divided by N is equal to minus 5 divided by L plus L, M plus N, L plus M plus N. So now taking first and last, you will get the value of y. Taking second and last, you will get the value of y. Taking third and last, you will get the value of z. In this way, you can find out the coordinates of the point, okay? In this way. So taking first and last, taking first and last, second and last, third and last. लास्ट क्यों हमें लेना पड़ता है? क्योंकि वो फाइनाइट वैल्यू, ठीक है ना, मतलब तेल है कोई x वैल्यू, x वैल्यू कड़ित, y वैल्यू कड़ित, z वैल्यू कड़ित, ठीक है? फर्स्ट का तो उस बराबर है, शाबाश, फर्स्ट वैल्यू का तो इस बराबर
X minus 1 divided by L.
divided by L, x minus 1 divided by L
L
equal to minus 5 divided by L plus M
plus M
n.
plus N.
But it happened mois y minus 2 divided by M second is equal to minus 5 divided by L plus M plus N, and Z minus 3 divided by N is equal to minus 5 divided by L plus M plus N. Solve these three equations, you will get the value of X, Y, and Z, which implies that Irfan, tell me the value of X. Directly means the value of X katne barabar.
Minus 4.
Minus?
Minus 4.
This is 5. This is 5.
Sorry, 1 करने you are x.
नहीं, पहले ये करो shift.
1 plus 5L. 1 minus 5L divided by.
पहले हमें denominator को shift करना है.
Yes, sir.
Multiply.
Yes, sir.
Minus 5L plus 1
minus 5L divided by नहीं.
divided by L plus M plus N.
Divided by L plus M plus N. फिर हमें plus 1 लिखना है.
Plus 1. Yes, sir.
हाँ?
Yes, sir.
Y is equal to
समझ आवा कि ना? Y is equal to
minus 5M divided by L plus M plus
minus
N.
5M divided by L plus
L
N
plus M plus N
plus 2.
plus 2.
फिर Z is equal
Z is
to
equal to
minus 5N divided by L plus M plus N plus 3. Therefore, point is okay. What is the point? Generator meets the curve. Yes. Generator means equation of line meets the curve. Kath curve is guiding curve or I say this. So I did x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 1 is equal to 4. Sorry, is equal to 4. At the point, kath pet meet kara yes points pet at the point. At the point, kath points pet chase kara meet x क्या तरह value is minus 5l divided by l plus m plus n plus 1. Y क्या तरह value minus 5m divided by l plus m plus n plus 2. Z value minus 5n divided by l plus m plus n plus 3. Okay? So it will satisfy it. ये कह रहा जरूरी क्या है? Satisfy. यानी कि बच्चे कौन सिर्फ कैलकुलेशन बाकी कहीं ना यानी कि x बदल छ वैल्यू त्राउन y बदल छ वैल्यू त्राउन z बदल छ ये वैल्यू त्राउन कस में त्राउन यथ इक्वेशन में क्या therefore this equation meets the point means it intersects so it satisfies so x square plus yeah therefore this point you see point you know you see
Therefore, it satisfies the equation.
you can satisfy यह equation ठीक है guiding कर
Generator.
करा समझावा ये मन में को एम्ब्रोटेशन में यूज
Other equation the doyum now the generator.
uh-huh
Other equation the doyum now generator.
no generator means the equation of line यस ना ये मजे से find out कर values x to y to z yes and given just बनो गॉड equation
Base.
alpha beta gamma
You should base. You should give someone else given.
हाँ इसे base
So your equation as the generator.
ना ये equation generator चाहिए कि ये x minus alpha divided by l y minus beta divided by m z minus gamma divided by l इसे guiding करो
Guiding generator थे.
generator equation में से इसका ना value
Generator से meet करा या equation
यह equation कट points पर से meet करा ये
इमराज पॉइंट
समझो मैं इनका ये करे जरूरी क्या satisfy ठीक है
जो ऑब्जेक्टिव draw
तो means go हाँ
ठीक है तो मैं ऑब्जेक्टिव से में आया मतलब
अच्छा ठीक गो x थ्रो पन वैल्यू y थ्रो पन वैल्यू z थ्रो पन वैल्यू ठीक है x क्या थ्रो इस वैल्यू शाबाश therefore what it becomes x क्या थ्रो
-5l
minus 5l
divided by l plus m plus n
divided by l plus m plus n फिर
plus 1
whole square x square plus y square है ना
yes sir
plus y square what is the value of y square
-5m
minus 5m
divided by l plus m plus n
l plus m plus n
whole square
no plus
2 whole square
plus 2 whole square
plus -5n
minus 5n divided by l plus
m plus n plus 3
plus 3 whole square is equal to
4
now solve this ये solve कर लो cross multiply कर लो minus 5l plus l plus m plus n divided by
l plus
l
m plus
plus m plus n
whole square
या अलग अलग कर दो यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर सेम है अब हर किसी को ठीक है लॉज ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट लॉज ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट के जरिए शी फॉलो गसान पाने नहीं गसान क्या 5m plus
2l plus 2
plus 2m plus 2n Hey,
whole square.
L plus M, sorry, whole square, yeah. Whole square, L plus M plus N whole square plus minus 5N plus 3L plus 3M plus 3N divided by L plus M plus N whole square
Square.
is
वो तीन
equal
सर
to,
whole square पेट में
अब denominator same है ना?
से तरह whole square.
Yes. So, कोई तो shift on the right hand side. ये क्या बचो तेल? M plus N minus 4L. या वो समझ किस पड़ा minus 4L?
Yes sir.
5 L है ना? 5
Yes sir. Yes sir.
minus L, that is minus 4L
Yes, sir.
plus 2M plus 2N minus 3, sorry, मैंने गलत मत लिखा, 2, sorry, ये गलत है, 2L plus 2N minus 3M whole square plus 3L plus 3M minus 2N whole square is equal to 4 into L plus M plus N whole square. Now, what is the job? You have to eliminate L, M, and N. Eliminate. हमें eliminate क्या करना है? L, M, and N by using equation first. Equation first हमें यहाँ पे use करना है. What is equation first? See here, what is equation first?